The struggle in South Africa was racially defined. And to want to sound smart and create an impression that, no, it can't be an African working class. African working class and the white working class are not of the same status. So we ought to emphasize the African working class because their situation is worse. We ought to emphasize women because their situation is worse. Not because we hate men, but women suffered triple oppression. You can't redress it through those who are better positioned. You start with those who are at the lowest. When we start, we'll have to start with the worst ones coming this way. It's not a hatred, it's a redress. The struggle to own the means of production, banks and spaza shops belongs to those who want to distract us from owning the mines.